How to sell your crypto on crypto.com, sell in crypto.com. If you want to sell your crypto in crypto.com app or website, it's pretty much quite simple to do so. You just have to launch the crypto.com app, and this is the type of information that you will see. From the bottom, you'll find this trade icon right there, right? So you just have to tap on the trade icon there. As you've done that, here you can see buy and sell. So obviously we will just go to the sell option. As we've done that, here you can see it says to sell cryptocurrency. Now from here, what you have to do is just select the cryptocurrency that you'd like to sell, and then from here you simply have to go ahead and then enter a particular cryptocurrency and just tap on the sell option, right? Once you tap on the sell option, you can see max the crypto that you own, and here you'll see a final transaction of a certain crypto that you own. So here you can just tap on the confirm button, and just like that, you would have successfully sold your crypto in crypto.com. This way you'll be able to sell your crypto in crypto.com. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.